Migrating to the cloud isn't just about upgrading technology. It's about ensuring a company's future success, resilience, and efficiency. In this story, a commercial cleaning company transformed its entire IT operation. After moving their servers and critical applications to Microsoft Azure, employees enjoyed faster data access, secure remote work options, and smoother collaboration across departments. Cloud migration greatly reduced downtime risks. With Azure's built-in disaster recovery and redundant systems, the company now stays operational, even during unexpected outages. As business grew, the company easily expanded cloud resources. No more costly hardware upgrades, scaling storage and user access is now seamless, supporting rapid business growth. Sensitive financial data is now safer than ever. Secure VPNs, structured access controls, and constant monitoring protect operations while ensuring compliance with industry standards. Change isn't easy, but IT is achievable with the right support. Through regular training sessions and one-on-one assistance, employees became confident and efficient in using their new cloud environment. Post-migration challenges did arise, like user familiarization and managing cloud costs. But via ongoing training and optimization, the company quickly adapted and kept costs under control. Migration was just the beginning. Our MSP team continues to monitor, secure, and optimize the cloud environment daily, keeping the company agile, protected, and ready for anything. Today, the cleaning company operates faster, safer, and smarter than ever. Cloud migration wasn't just a project, it became the foundation for their next stage of success.